You are probably bleeding thousands of dollars every single year, and the craziest part is, you are doing it completely on purpose. It is a psychological trap called loss aversion. Because of this mental glitch, making $60,000 a year but trying to manually save what is left mathematically leaves you closer to bankruptcy than a broke college student. Stay with me until the end, because the last point is the one that will actually change how you handle money forever. In the next few minutes, you are going to discover how to automate your wealth so you never have to rely on sheer willpower again. You will learn the exact formula to spot invisible money leaks before they drain your bank account. And finally, I will show you how to flip the psychological trap of saving money into a system that actually buys back your absolute freedom. Let's get into it. Here is a terrifying statistic. 78% of people living paycheck to paycheck actually earn middle-class incomes. Why? Because they rely entirely on human willpower to save money. They pay their bills, buy their groceries, and cross their fingers hoping there is something left over at the end of the month. It is incredibly frustrating, isn't it? Working 40 long hours a week and feeling that crushing disappointment when you have absolutely nothing to show for it. You need to remove your emotions from the equation entirely. If you manually transfer $300 to savings every month, eventually, you will skip a month to buy a new phone or go out with friends. But if you automate a $300 deduction the exact day your paycheck hits, over 10 years at a 7% return, you will effortlessly stack $51,650. Automation is the ultimate secret to building wealth while you sleep. That was point 1. But point 2 is where most people completely lose their money, and it is something almost nobody talks about. Let's get into it. Most people think getting a raise is the fastest way to get rich. But a sudden pay bump is actually the exact moment most people trap themselves in a permanent cycle of debt. We call this lifestyle creep, and it destroys your future. Before your promotion, you were perfectly happy driving a 5-year-old Honda and brewing your morning coffee at home. After your $10,000 raise, suddenly you deserve the $600 a month BMW lease and the expensive daily cafe runs. You feel a brief rush of excitement and pride. But 6 months later, that fancy new car just feels like another stressful bill you have to pay. Your income went up by $833 a month, but your new expenses went up by $900 a month. Before the raise, you had $200 of breathing room. After the raise, you were actually $67 in the hole every single month. If you do not anchor your expenses to your goals, you will just become a broke person wearing more expensive clothes. That covers the income trap. But point 3 is the silent wealth killer hiding right inside your wallet right now. Let's get into it. Have you ever felt a sick knot in your stomach when looking at your credit card statement? You see a $5,000 balance, but the bank cheerfully says you only owe a $100 minimum payment, so you pay it and feel relieved. Here is the shocking truth: that minimum payment is not designed to help you. It is mathematically engineered by massive banks to keep you trapped in debt for over a decade. Paying the minimum on a credit card is like trying to empty a swimming pool with a teaspoon while someone else fills it with a fire hose. Let's say you have a $5,000 balance on a card with a 24% interest rate. If you only pay the $100 minimum, it will take you 9 years and 8 months to clear the balance. Worse, you will pay over $6,600 just in interest, meaning your $5,000 shopping spree actually cost you an agonizing $11,600. It feeds on our hope for a quick fix today, while completely sacrificing our financial freedom tomorrow. You must aggressively attack high-interest debt before you do anything else. That is the defensive move. But point 4 is the exact offensive strategy you need to actually grow your net worth. Let's get into it. Here is what separates people who build wealth from everyone else. They ruthlessly manage their micro-spending. Most financial advisors will never tell you this, but you are likely bleeding hundreds of dollars a month on things you don't even use. It creates a lingering sense of guilt, knowing your hard-earned money is vanishing into thin air every month. Here is the exact 3-step action plan to plug these invisible leaks immediately. Step 1. Print out your last 2 months of bank Statements. Step 2. Take a red pen and circle every single recurring charge under $20. Step 3. Cancel at least 3 of those subscriptions today. Let's say you cut a $15 streaming service, a $10 app subscription, and replace 2 $6 cafe coffees a week with homebrewed coffee. That is $73 a month saved, invested at an 8% return over 30 years. Those tiny cancellations turn into $108,000 in cold, hard cash. Small, intentional actions today create massive generational wealth tomorrow. But all of this means absolutely nothing if you fall into the trap of point 5. Let's get into it. Before you do anything else, you need to hear this. The single most destructive habit in personal finance is waiting for the perfect time to start investing. Every day your money sits in a regular checking account, inflation is actively stealing your purchasing power. This is the real fear of missing out, not missing a luxury vacation, but missing out on a decade of life-changing compound interest. If you wait from age 25 to age 35 to start investing $500 a month, you don't just miss out on 10 years of gains. At a 7% return, the 10-year delay literally costs you $615,000 by the time you reach age 65. You cannot save your way to wealth, and waiting for the stock market to cool down is a guaranteed path to staying poor. You have to get your money off the sidelines and into index funds or solid assets immediately. Time is the one currency you can never earn back once it is spent. That is the hard truth about building wealth. But wait, I have one more secret weapon for you. I was going to save this for a separate video, but since you have made it this far, here it is, the ultimate financial hack that the rich use is paying yourself first. When your paycheck arrives, do not pay your landlord, your credit card, or your utility company first. Take 10% of your gross income and instantly route it to your investment account the moment you are paid. Treat your own future like it is the most aggressive, unforgiving bill collector on the planet. If you earn $4,000 a month, $400 disappears into your wealth-building machine before you even see it in your checking account. You will naturally adjust your lifestyle to comfortably survive on the remaining $3,600. This one psychological flip guarantees you get rich, no matter what happens with the rest of your budget. Let's quickly recap the 3 absolute non-negotiables for your wealth. First, automate your savings so human willpower is completely removed from the equation. Second, aggressively attack high-interest debt because minimum payments are a mathematical trap. Third, start investing today, because time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Your financial freedom is not determined by how much money you make, but by the systems you build to keep what is yours. If this video gave you even one idea that could change your financial future, hit subscribe right now. I drop new money tips every week, the kind your school never taught you. And drop a comment below, tell me which point hit you the hardest. I read every single one.